In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving normal probability distribution with the Casio fx-CG50 graphing calculator. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve problems involving normal probability distribution with the Casio fx-CG50 graphing scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video because I'm going to learn a lot, guys. I'm going to be simplifying a lot of things. Okay, having known that, let's maybe look at the question before you get the Casio calculator. The question says the arm measurement of 16-year-old male footballer is normally with the mean of 85 cm and a standard deviation of 6 cm. We asked to find the percentage of footballers with arm measurement between 77 cm and 93 cm. Okay, so this is how you present it in interval notation. We also have to find the percentage of footballers with arm measurements between 93 cm and 109 cm. This is how you present it in interval notation, and this is a big part of it. Having known this, let's get the Casio calculator and go into the details of the video. Okay, so this is Casio fx-CG50 graphing scientific calculator. Now, the very best you have to do is reset it. The essence of resetting it, wipe out whatever previous value you might have stored on it. So to quickly reset it, all you have to do is navigate to system using this navigation button. So when you get to press execute for this calculator sample reporting. Okay, when you get to press F5 for reset, then F6 for next page. When you get to press F2 to initialize all, then F1, and it will begin to initialize all as indicated here. Okay, so we're going to solve these problems we have here very fast. So this calculator is done. Press exit. Alright, now the next we need to put the calculator in distribution mode. That's the mode we're going to work with. To do that, you navigate to distribution. So this is distribution. Press execute for it. Okay, since we want to solve normal probability, which is option 2 here. So this is normal probability. Press execute. Okay, now pay attention very well here. So let's begin with question. A part of page says find the percentage of footballers with arm measurement between 77 cm and 93 cm. Okay, here under this option, look at the interval notation we're going to work with. We're going to work with this one. Press F2. Alright, so this is the interval notation we're going to work with. Very important, guys, to solve this kind of problem. So let's input our lower value. So our lower value here for I of this equation is 77. Press execute. Our upper value is 93. Very simple, guys. Press execute. Then we have this symbol stands for standard deviation. So our standard deviation here is 6 cm. Press this. Then our mean, this stands for mean. This symbol is 85, and that's what press execute. Press execute again, and it will display the answer. So this is the graphical aspect of it. So this is the answer. We have it to be 0.8175. That's simple as that, guys. Now to solve II of this equation, let's press exit. Okay, all you have to do now will be to change some values here. Yeah, this number one, our lower value is 93. Okay, our upper value here is now 109 cm. Okay, press execute. So this is the answer, 0.0911. Now note that we are asked to leave the answer in percentage. It's talking about percentage, okay? So all you have to simply do to put it in percentage is to this value we have got to now, you multiply it by 100. The first one we got multiplied by 100, we get the answer in percentage. This one also multiplied by 100, and you get the answer in percentage. It's as simple as that, guys. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's go to B part of it. It says find the probability that the measurement of a randomly chosen footballer is more than 113 cm. This is how it is represented in interval notation. Okay, so let's go to it. Now, under this tail option, all you have to do is to press F3, and you see X is greater than or equals this. Okay, now having done this, let's go ahead and put our X value. X value is was 113. Okay, so the standard deviation is the same and the mean is still the same. That's a pre-execute. So if you display the answer, so what the answer we have it to be, the answer is in standard for 1.5 times 10 to the power minus 6. That answer is 6. So the answer is in standard form. We have it to be 1.5 times 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so that's it for this problem. The last one here before we close the class, we have to do this to go back to exit, then change this tail notation to less than or equal to, press the pound for it, so it has changed. Right, then come down less than 177, our S value have is 77, also please recruit, it display the answer, have it to be 0.0912. That's the answer, guys. We have it to be 0.0912. Okay, so that's the answer. We're not asked to leave it in percentage, so we are good to go with this expression of the answer. This basically can solve problems involving normal probability distribution with the Casio fx-CG50 graphic calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel for more videos. So like, share, and comment on this video to know how you want to learn. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. That's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to reset the calculator. Once you are done solving, all you have to do is to go back to menu. Alright, navigate to system, press execute, put the instruction F5 reset, F6 next page, F2 initialize store, F1 and to begin to initialize store. Okay, so I see you in my subsequent video. Thanks for watching. Okay, is it